I used to think fermented foods were just a trend. I rolled my eyes every time I heard someone rave about them, but then I hit a point where my gut health was a mess. I felt bloated, sluggish, and honestly, just off. That's when I decided to give fermented foods a shot, and wow, they transformed my gut health. Look, let's talk about kefir first. Just 1 cup of kefir contains about 10 billion CFUs of probiotics. That's a big deal for digestion. I started adding it to my smoothies, and within days, I noticed a difference. My stomach felt lighter, and I was regular for the first time in ages. Now, let's not skip over kimchi. This stuff is low in calories, but bursting with flavor and nutrients. A half-cup serving has only 20 calories, but is loaded with vitamins A and C. I toss it into stir-fries or eat it straight from the jar. It's a game-changer for flavor without piling on the calories. Then there's sauerkraut. It's one of the most affordable ways to get fiber and probiotics into your diet. Just 1 ounce contains about 1 gram of dietary fiber. I started sprinkling it on my salads and sandwiches. It adds crunch and tang, plus I know I'm doing something good for my gut. And if you're looking for plant-based protein, tempeh is your friend. With 31 grams of protein per cup, it's perfect for muscle maintenance. I've swapped it in for meat a couple of times a week, and I feel great. So here's the takeaway. Start with just 1 fermented food today. Maybe grab a cup of kefir or a jar of kimchi. Just 1 small step can lead to big changes in how you feel. If this helped, subscribe.